I'm your Osceola County community correspondent, Laverne McGee. You may have heard recently about the changes to the open carry gun law. You might soon be seeing people walking around with a gun on their hip, and that could mean changes for law enforcement. I came to the Osceola County Sheriff's Department to speak with the sheriff one-on-one about his thoughts.
I was a fan of the concealed carry. That's what I do when I'm out and about. I conceal carry. I don't want to scare anybody. I try to respect your rights.
Osceola County Sheriff Chris Blackman wants you to know that you may see people carrying guns openly in public. His office has been getting a lot of questions on social media about how this will affect police work and public safety. They're making sure their deputies are ready.
It's a Q&A between the attorneys and the deputies, basically the what ifs, what about, how do you do this? They're going through that in detail.
You've been in law enforcement, forgive me, how long?
35 years.
And you've never faced this?
Not open carry.
Does it concern you?
Oh, it's very concerning because you hope the person that has the open carry is legally authorized to have that weapon and it's not there for nefarious reason.
Wouldn't it be scary for an officer to approach somebody knowing that they had a gun right there?
It's a challenge. It's a big challenge.
Some people are happy about open carry. Others worry Florida could turn into the Wild Wild West or the gunshine state. Orange County Sheriff John Mina is a vocal critic. In a statement, he said in part, just the presence of a heavily armed person in a public place is enough to create a sense of panic. Remember, firearms are still not allowed in sensitive places like schools, courthouses, and police stations. Also, private property owners can ban guns on their property.
So the grocery stores, Walmart, Publix, and others like that have the right to refuse you to enter their building. They can ask you to leave. And if they ask you to leave, you need to leave, especially if you're carrying a weapon, because now if you refuse to leave, it becomes armed trespassing. So you went from basically a misdemeanor violation to a felony.
Sheriff Blackman says if you see a threat, call the police. Otherwise, know your rights and respect the rules. I'm Laverne McGee, your Osceola County community correspondent, News 6.